Want to see Mama's coffee? My eyes are busy. You can help Mommy. Okay, let's put that one. My eyes are kissing. Sumuka siya kagabi ng siguro 4 times. Bigla na lang siyang nagising na sumuka. Ay. So, hindi siya nakapasok ngayon sa, sa nursery niya. Barnahagen. Tapos, hindi rin ako nakapasok sa trabaho. So, absent tayo ngayon. Someone is sick. Yeah. Come on, let's go up na. Let's go up. Let's go up, little man. We need to change the bedsheet as well because you peed. Basa ng ihi ni Isaac. Let's go na. Let's go upstairs. Medyo mainit siya konti. Tapos, ayaw niyang kumain. Let's go. You want big milk? Okay, come on, let's go. Gusto niya daw ng gatas. Madaming gatas. Kaya ang tawag niya kapag gusto niya ng madaming gatas, big milk. Right, Isaac? Morning. Ayaw niyang maglakad. Gusto niya kinakarga lang. Up na. Upstairs? No. Yeah, Mama will get you milk, okay? Hey, Google. Lights on. Come on, let's go. There. Mama will get milk. Mama will get milk. Yung bukol ko, lumalaki na talaga siya. Oh, kailangan ko na talaga itong ipa-check ulit. So, si Simon nasa trabaho na. Nag-start siya 8 o'clock. 9 yata. Nasa trabaho na. Poor Isaac. Can't sleep. Gusto niya lang matulog daw. Actually, hindi siya kumain ng hapunan. Kasi parang, nung dinner time, nagsimula na siyang feel sick yata. Kaya hindi siya kumakain. Tapos nung patulog na siya, doon na siya nagsuka. Nagsimulang magsuka. Hey, okay? Yeah. Gusto niya lang daw matulog. Ayaw niya daw kumain. Ay. Malakas ang ulan, guys. Okay, Mama will get you milk, okay? Look outside. Umuulan. Basa. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin ni Isaac sa loob. Gagawa lang tayong kape. Na-try ko na last time yung Starbucks. So, yung gusto kong i-try ngayon ay yung nakakasama dito. Gusto kong i-try yung ano ba to? 9 or masyadong mapait. 7 lang yung intensity. Pero hindi masyadong mapait. Want to see Mama's coffee? It smells good. Na. There's the milk as well. We have to be careful. Ito yung nag-foam na siya. Yan. Hirap lang may sakit. Ay, laging nagpapakarga. Ay, short. Should we put Paracet on you? Huh? You okay? Water. We need Paracet. 250. Okay, let's use this one. This one, okay? Let's put the medicine, okay? Go. Okay. Mama's son is very painful now, Isaac. Isaac is getting heavier. Okay. It's okay. Papasok sa ano niya. Wet na. It's okay naman. Isaac, are you? Isaac is warm. It's okay. Open, Bam Bam. It's okay. All done. It's okay. All done. All done. It's in the Bam Bam now. Good boy. Good job. Good job, little man. Good job. All done. Good job. It's a nice Bam Bam now. You'll feel better soon, okay? Okay. How about Mama's coffee? Can I get my coffee first? So Mama can drink coffee? Can I get my coffee first? I'll get my coffee first, okay? Kiss Mama, okay? Wawa. Ayaw niya akong umalis. Isaac, I have to get my coffee. Mama needs energy. Mama needs energy, okay? Kawawa naman si Isaac, oy. It's okay, little man, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Kailangan natin ng energy, guys, kasi parang it's gonna be a long day. Si Isaac nanghingi na ng lugaw. Gagawin ko lang siya ng lugaw niya. Ito yung pinaka-paborito niyang flavor. Kinakain niya sa umaga, tsaka minsan sa tanghali din kapag nandito lang siya sa bahay. Tapos bago siya matulog, ito din yung kinakain niya. Ito yung gusto niya. Actually guys, bago lang kakasuka lang ni Isaac. Ayun po ito, ano ba? Kakakainin ko ba? Baka magsuka ulit. Pero sabi niya kasi gusto niya ng porridge. So, bibigyan ko na lang. So, sumuka siya. Kakasuka niya lang guys. Ang daming nasuka niya. My God. Come on, porridge is here. Come on.
Orlando, or pink,
Yeah.
or orange.
Oh, orange.
It's scary.
It's scary. Are you scared?
Really?
Mukhang ano na siya, feeling better pagkatapos nung malagyan ko ng medisina sa puwet niya. Ready to eat? Do you want to feed yourself or you want Mama to help you? You want Mama to feed you? Do you want Mama to feed you? Ewan ko lang kung kakain to. Kasi minsan nangihingi ng porridge tapos hindi naman kinakain. Ba. Baba lililam harunu. Ja, sheriffen, jeg har kroppen full. Søndagsklar til mor, søndagsklar til far og bror. Og mam, og bror, og bror. Og mor, og bror, mor. Chiki. Aww. Come on. I love you. I love Isaac. I'm sorry.
My pants.
I'm sorry. Try first. Wow. No, I'm not hungry na. I'm not hungry agad. Yun lang, I'm not hungry na agad. Come on na. You said you wanted porridge, Isa. You said you want porridge. Diba? Ayaw niya. Sayang lang yung nagawa ko. Ang dami pa naman. Twinkle, twinkle, little.
Then
How I wonder what you...
or
Oh, good job! Let's clean your nose as well. Meron pala akong biniling libro. Kukunin ko muna siya. Naka-receive ako ng message na nasa ano na daw, post casa. Kukunin ko lang siya sa labas. Ito na siya, buksan natin. Mahilig kasi akong magbasa ng libro, guys, kapag pag may time lang naman. Actually, minsan na lang may time. So, yung gusto kong libro, yung mga motivational. Let's see. Yan, Make Believe. Make Believe by Victoria Hutchins. Yan, Make Believe. So, ang sabi dito sa libro, sa likod, Make Believe is for anyone who wants to take back the narrative of their life, whose body often feels like an enemy to their soul, or who might be struggling to stick around. This book will inspire readers to go out looking, heart in hand, for joy, purpose, and healing. So, gusto nyo ng healing, guys. Bilhin nyo to. Make Believe. Nagutom ako, guys. Gagawa lang ako ng pang lunch. Ito yung gagawin ko. Mackerel, tapos lalagyan ko ng egg. Yung parang tinapa sa atin, sardinas ba? Tapos ipiprito at lalagyan ng egg. Ganon. Ito lang yung ilalagay ko, onion at saka garlic. So, wala kasing, naubusan kasi kami ng spring onions, kaya, yun. Namis din yung gantong ulam. Lagi kong naalala yung, yung kabataan ko, guys, kapag umuulam ako nito. Kasi dati, siguro mga elementary ako, wala kasi kaming ibang maulam. So, yung nanay ko bumibili. Minsan, umuutang pa sa tindahan para may makain lang. Ng tinapa, sardinas, tapos ipiprito. Lalagyan ng egg para mas dumami ba. Tsaka para mahati-hati sa mga magkakapatid. Kasi 7 kami. So, di ba ang dami? So, kapag niluluto ko to, yung naalala ko talaga yung aking kabataan. Minsan walang ulam, ganun. Pag may tinapa, happy na. Kaysa wala, minsan asin ang ulam. Kasi wala talaga, walang perang pambili ang si mother at saka si father. Lagyan natin ng oil. Mainit na talaga siya. Kailangan ko. Oops. Sobrahan ng init. Lalagyan ko ng konting asin. Kaya kasi sabi ni Gordon Ramsay na kapag lagyan mo daw ng asin yung onion, lumalabas daw yung sweetness. Lagyan natin. Ay! Palpit pa more. Lalagyan ko siya ng konting chili flakes para may anghang konti. Konti-konti lang. Lagyan natin ng egg. 1 egg. Salt and pepper. Okay na. Kain ako, guys. Si Isaac ayaw pa talaga niyang kumain. So, hindi ko na pinipilit. Yan. Ito na siya. Tapos, may bagoong ako. Yung matamis na bagoong. Tapos, lagyan ng vinegar. Yan. Buenas. Buenas. Char lang. Yan. Uy! Nahulog. Si Isaac nakatulog na. Medyo warm siya. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Gumawa din pala ako ng kape. Black coffee, pero yung ano lang, granule, sariling timpla. Sarap. Maglas ng white rice. Kaso, ang sarap talagang kumain eh. Masyadong mahirap talaga magbawas ng timbang. So, hi, darling! Simon is home. Kakarating niya lang from work. What time is it? It's 4:30. So, hindi na ako nakapagluto, guys, kasi ayaw talagang magpaiwan ni Isaac. Ayaw niya kasing magpaiwan. Lagi lang gusto niya lang laging ganyan. Aww. Here. So, si Simon nag-take out na lang ng pagkain.
He bought cars for little man. Are you tired?
Aww.
Daddy got you some new cars. You want Daddy to open?
What do you want to say to Dada? Thank you, Daddy. Yeah. Wow, green one. Nice, very nice. Yung table namin, yun pa yung drawing ni Simon at saka ni Isaac dito. So si Simon, nag-take out na siya ng McDonald's. Tapos yung sa akin, tinanong niya ako kung anong gusto ko. Sabi ko sushi. Sabi niya, treat niya daw. So, uy. Ang dami pala nito. In-order ko lang siya online. Tapos, siya na yung nag-pick up dun sa Quadrat. Kasi malapit yung work ni Simon doon. Let's eat, darling. So, kami lang ngayon kasi si Kevin hindi pa din umuwi. Mamaya pa daw siya uuwi. So, si Isaac naman nag-request kanina ng bread daw na may peanut butter at jam. Tapos, ang ginawa ko na, sabi niya ayaw niya daw kumain. So, yun, gusto niya ng tubig. So, wala talaga siyang nakain today. Housework, is everything okay? Yeah. Busy?
Yeah, I need to. I'm just gonna work overtime, but I assume you don't want me to.
No, it's okay. I can take care of myself. But I have to...
My straw was in there. Hot orange.
Thank you for the food.
Welcome. Where's JBL? Where's your JBL on?
So I was singing earlier.
Why? Because she has to listen to you singing.
Sarap. Lambot. Pork.
Looks good actually. Looks good actually. Special rice. Want to sit with Daddy? Okay. Chip?
I think kailangan ko din magstay bukas sa bahay. Kasi hindi pa magaling si Isaac eh. Good morning! Thursday ngayon dito sa Norway. Si Isaac ay okay na, magaling na siya. So, papasok na siya mamaya. Ihatid siya ni Simon. Yan si Simon. Ihatid siya ni Simon. Tapos, ako kukuha sa kanya. So, yes. Yung lunch ko mamaya, tinapay na may peanut butter at saka strawberry jam. May sipon ako guys, sorry. Tapos fruits, strawberry at saka blueberries. I'm going to work. Tapos ito, look. Say yes to life. Life is short, enjoy it. Diba? Let's enjoy life. Kahit madaming mga pagsubok, kakayanin. Si Isaac talkative na masyado kasi magaling na. Nasa taas siya. I'm gonna go now. Getting late na. Hi, little man. Oh.
Mommy.
Good morning, Isaac. There's my little man. Hi, good morning. Is. Can you say bye-bye to Mama? Hello? Can you say bye-bye to Mommy? Hi, Isaac. I love you.
Isaac's going to Barnahaga today.
Yeah, he's going to see his friends. Bye-bye na. Mama will pick you up. Okay, love you. Bye na. Yeah. Have to go. Bye-bye. Late na ako. Nandito na ako sa work. Umuulan, guys. Katatapos ko lang sa work, guys. Susunduin ko na si Isaac. So, sobrang busy sa trabaho kasi ang dami kong natenggang trabaho dahil nga 3 days ako hindi nakapag-work. So, yeah.
Liam?
No, he's telling you that he had a fight with Elias.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Sumbag siya?
What, Isaac?
Oh no.
We're home na.
Careful.
You wanna go out with Kuya and Ate?
It's okay, little man. Yeah.
Isaac,
Yeah, is it nice? Are you
Isaac.
hungry?
you wanna go out with Ate and Kuya later?
I think si Isaac ay sobrang pagod kasi maaga siyang nagising kanina.
Don't put that there.
Tapos ang dami nilang activities sa ano,
Kuya later?
ang dami nilang activities sa Barnahagen.
Careful. Slowly. Slowly.
Okay, Mama will make food,
Mama
okay?
will bring milk over.
Yeah. Nanghingi na si Isaac ng lugaw, so binigyan na lang namin. Kasi hindi pa ako nakaluto, magluluto pa lang.
Oh, just the
Is it yummy? Hindi to kumain sa Barnahagen niya. Did you eat in Barnahagen? What did you eat? Tell mommy. Pasta? Ha? Pera? Uy!
Did you eat?
Per daw.
Did you eat porridge as well this morning?
Did you eat porridge? Are you
I forgot to tell
sure?
them that I didn't eat at home. I actually forgot that.
Is mommy there? I miss you.
Did you from daddy?
Which one is the best, mommy or daddy? Oh, daddy, mommy, and Isaac. How about kuya? Poor kuya. Sabi niya, the best daw, mommy, daddy, at saka si Isaac. Tapos yung kuya niya, umiiyak na dun sa taas kasi hindi daw the best. Kuya is best
Kuya is
as well. Kuya is the best as well. I love you.
What are you making? Mom? What are you recording?
Ito muna ako ng manok. Want to help mama? Yeah, we have to wash your nose. It's very dirty. Okay, wait please. It's outside. Are you tired? You want to sleep now?
No.
Now you can, honey.
No. Kuya.
Yeah, Kuya's outside. Kuya's helping. Okay. You have to chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop. Like that? Okay, excuse me. But you have to be careful, okay? You have to chop, chop. Okay, wait first, okay? Wait. Ano? Ang sayo niya kasi tutulong daw siya mag-chop.
Mommy.
Thank you. Mommy's very strong, right? You chop this one, okay? Good. Wait, is it nice?
Asa ka gamay sa course? Asa ka?
Wait, I have a mommy.
Oh, thank you. Son. All done. Now you can play with Kuya. Yeah? I know. Make change for mommy.
No, come out. Open eyes.
Open eyes. Ba. Kuya. Mag-apron pala ako kasi yung talsik ng manok sa pagisa. Ayoko matalsikan yung aking t-shirt. Sayang naman. Baka hindi matanggal yung mancha. Kumusta pala kayo guys? Kumusta yung family ninyo? Yan, okay na yung onion. Lalagyan ko din siya ng, actually ito na lang yung gagawin ko, garlic powder. Hindi na yung yung fresh. 2 chicken breast ang gagamitin ko. Tapos hiwain ko lang siya ng maninipis. Maninipis na maliit. Parang ganyan, oh. Yan ang pagka-slice. Okay, yung holiday nyo ngayon, actually 1 week siyang walang pasok. So, nasa bahay lang siya. Minsan, lumalabas siya with friends. Nilagyan ko siya ng oil. Tapos, pepper. Dito na ako sa chopping board na gano para iwas hugasin. Tapos, salt. Tapos, paprika. Tapos, ito. Powdered. Paprika powder. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng cornstarch. Kunti lang. Siguro mga 1 teaspoon. Yan. Tapos mix. Tapos yung sauce. Oyster sauce. Measure by heart. Mga 3 tablespoon. Tapos soy sauce. Sesame oil. Sugar, asukal, 1 teaspoon, and then water. Tapos nilagyan ko naman na ng cornstarch yung chicken so yun na yung pampalapot mamaya ng sabaw. At if kulang, pwede namang dagdagan. Guys, nakalimutan ko pala, lalagyan ko din ng ganito. Beef flavor. Yan, konti lang. Dagdag lasa. What's that? Wow. This is. Are you happy? You like it? Huh? You like it? Lagay na natin yung manok. Huwag masyadong madami para hindi magtubig. Hiya! Reyes here. Girlfriend came. Ate is home? Yeah. Simon is here. What are you talking about?
My bald head. Leave me alone.
Hi, it's okay, Hello. Yes, naman. You can go work? Hi, Sa. Ate. What's ate? Huh? You like ate? Do you like ate? Ano siya nga? Where's ate? Maya add natin yung manok. Bigyan ko lang ng salt konti para may tubig ba. Tingnan mo. Lagay natin yung manok. Lapit ang bulas. So, madami siyang sabaw. So, lalagyan ko na siya ng, lalagyan ko na siya ng cornstarch. Lumapot na. Tikman natin. Sarap. Surprisingly good. Guys, sarap yung lasa. Promise. Sarap yung lasa. Yan na siya. Oh. Sarap niya. In fairness ha, masarap. Walang joke guys. Sarap. Kain na tayo. Lagyan ko lang ng ng additional pepper. Hindi naman kakain si Isaac nito so okay lang. Yan. Tsaka lagyan ko din ng chili flakes para may kunting anghang. Let's eat! Eating time! Eating time! Ito na siya. Sarap diba? Logo. Hi, little man. You want to eat? Lah, excited na siya. Ano lang ginigong ito?
Ginagay lang.
I did. The very first 2 days of our relationship. It was all fake.
In the beginning.
Only in the beginning. Name? Good no? Like sa Chinese restaurant ba?
Kami ng sauce.
Sarap guys. Sarap daw. Parang sa restaurant daw. Char! Huh? Sarap talaga. No joke. Good?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Pineapple.
And corn.
Sarap.
Hello.
Hinay lang doon. Sarap? Yummy? Naman. So, after a few hours, few hours man yun. Ako na lang yung naiiwan sa mesa. At ang proof na masarap siya ay yan na lang natira, guys. I'm proud of myself. So, that's it for today's video, guys. And thank you sa pagsama nyo sa akin. Don't forget to like the video. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please do. See you sa next video. Bye!